Hi, I'm Rachel Gray and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, yummy treat for your family that's really fast. It's caramel popcorn. And the first thing that I do is pop the popcorn. And I use this whirly pop to cook on the stove, but you could just use a regular big pot, or you can air pop it, whatever you want to do. But I just put it in here and it's really fast. I take 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I use a half of a cup of popcorn. So I just buy the Orville Redenbacher popcorn that's at the store. And I just use a half of a cup, and I put it in the pot, and then I turn it on high. And it doesn't take long before it starts to pop. There we go. And it pops up to be about 8 cups of popcorn. So now that it's popped, this is how fast it goes. We want to make that first, that way when this is ready, the sauce is ready, we just pour it right on top. So we'll start with the half a stick of butter, and I kind of put it on low. I put the butter in first and I let it kind of melt down on low, not on high. My butter is just about melted. I'm going to use the same half cup measuring that I did for my popcorn, because that was a half a cup as well. And I'm just going to open my powdered sugar and then just pack it in right in the bag like that. And then I'll add that to my butter. And then I'm going to take a half a cup of light Caro syrup and then add that in. Now, just so you know, if you didn't want to make caramel popcorn, but you wanted like popcorn balls, you could use white sugar instead of brown sugar. The brown sugar helps make that yummy caramel flavor. And the way that I do this, it doesn't come out crispy. It's more of a kind of sticky, and then it kind of dries a little bit crispier. So, and then we also do want like a little dash of salt. That just kind of helps wake up the flavors a little bit. And I do use salted butter as well. So what I want to do is stir that and incorporate it before it starts to boil. So once it starts to boil, then you're done stirring. So you want your sugar and your butter and everything to be well incorporated before it starts to boil. And my heat's kind of low right now. And then once I get all of the butter sort of incorporated with the sugar and the Caro syrup, then I'll turn it up. And I boil it for 2 minutes. That's all, just 2. And I have this on a medium-high heat. If you turn it on super high and you have a lot of BTUs, it's probably going to get a little bit hotter than you want it to. So my timer's just told me it's done. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off the heat, and then I'm going to pour it immediately onto my popcorn. And then I'm just going to stir it all up until it's all evenly coated. And there you have it. You are ready to eat your caramel popcorn. It took less than 10 minutes to put together, and it's super good. If you want to let it cool, you could then form them into balls if you wanted to have a caramel popcorn ball, or you could just eat it right away. So try this at home. I think you're really gonna like it, and I know your family's gonna love it. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.